Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Macro Scale is probably one of the most innovative products I've reviewed this year. It's designed to revolutionize the way you approach your daily tasks. From its sleek design to its intuitive interface, every aspect of the macro scale is crafted for optimal user experience. In this video, we'll dive deep into its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right fit for you. Number 5. Etekcity Kitchen Scale for Weight Loss, Baking, Cooking. This kitchen scale supports multiple units, including ounces, pounds, and grams. It also features a tare function for easy operation, and it comes with batteries included. It's designed to make your weighing task simple and convenient. The scale provides accurate measurements up to 11 pounds or 5 kilograms, with increments as small as 1 gram. This precision ensures you get the exact measurements you need for your recipes or meal prep. It's perfect for anyone who needs accuracy. Its small and sleek design makes it a perfect fit for any kitchen. It doesn't take up much space and can be easily stored in your cabinets. The compact size makes it a convenient tool for everyday use. The scale features a 304 food-grade stainless steel surface that is easy to clean. Simply wipe it down to keep it looking new. This feature ensures that it remains hygienic and ready for use. It has a backlit LCD screen with large fonts, making it easy to read the measurements. This feature ensures that you can quickly and easily see the weight, even in low-light conditions. The display is clear and easy to understand. What we like. This scale offers effortless weighing with multiple unit options, making it super convenient for any recipe. It provides precise results up to 11 pounds, ensuring accuracy for your culinary creations. If you're looking for a simple, compact, and easy-to-clean kitchen scale, this is a great choice. What people say. I'm very impressed with the macro scale. The design is sleek and modern. The macro scale is incredibly accurate and easy to use. The features are well thought out and make it a pleasure to use. Number 4. Etekcity Smart Scale with BMI and Body Fat. This smart scale comes with a free V-Sync app. It offers customized diet and exercise plans based on your habits. Achieve your fitness goals scientifically with ease. Benefit from our 10 years of professional experience. The scale boasts high-precision sensors for accuracy in increments as small as 0.05 pounds, join over 5 million satisfied customers across 30 countries. This scale offers 3 different modes to cater to all your needs. Zero current mode ensures a safe weigh-in option, baby mode tracks baby or pet growth, and for light items weighs items as light as 100 g. Integrate this scale into your fitness routine. It's compatible with Apple Watch and syncs data with popular fitness apps like Apple Health and Google Fit. It supports unlimited users for convenience. Beyond analyzing 13 biometrics, setting goals, and viewing progress graphs, this scale offers even more intelligence. Connect the app to Alexa for hands-free voice control and quick answers. V-Sync prioritizes your privacy. What we like. This smart scale offers an unparalleled app experience with customized diet and exercise plans. Boasting high-precision sensors, it provides accurate measurements. If you are looking for a smart scale that can sync with your fitness apps and provide detailed body composition analysis, this is the one for you. What people say. The macro scale is a great product. The design is sleek and modern. It works perfectly. Number 3. FITINDEX Smart Scale, Body Composition Analyzer. This smart scale does more than just measure weight. It tracks your BMI, body fat, muscle mass, and other key metrics. It gives you a complete picture of your health journey. The scale provides precise measurements up to 400 pounds. It uses advanced technology and highly sensitive electrodes to ensure accuracy. Place it on a flat surface for the best results. This scale supports unlimited users and even has a baby weighing mode. You can set goals, track your progress with graphs, and export data. It's perfect for individuals and families. It syncs easily with popular fitness apps like Fitbit and Apple Health. Your data is securely stored via AWS, ensuring your personal privacy is protected. The FITINDEX Smart Scale is easy to set up, even for beginners. You get fast access to your metrics on your phone. It also features step-on technology and a clear LED display. What we like. This scale analyzes 13 body composition metrics, giving you a comprehensive view of your health. It provides accurate measurements with high-precision sensors. If you are striving for weight loss or fitness goals and want to monitor your progress with detailed data, consider this scale. What people say. Easy to connect to your phone and record your weight. It works and functions just as advertised. It is super easy to use, and syncs effortlessly with the phone app. I have an iPhone. Affordable and accurate. Number 2. RENPHO Smart Food Scale with Nutritional Calculator. Introducing the RENPHO Smart Food Scale, your all-in-one health companion. This scale helps you track and record food data, calculate calories, and offers detailed nutritional analysis. It's perfect for anyone looking to manage their diet effectively. Download the RENPHO Health app to sync with Apple Health. The app features an extensive USDA food database, allowing you to easily add and customize your food data. It makes tracking your meals simple and efficient. With 4 high-precision sensors, this scale measures from 1 g to 5 kilograms with incredible accuracy. It combines the functions of a nutritional scale, kitchen scale, and coffee scale. You can even use it to track the perfect coffee-to-water ratio. The LCD provides crystal-clear readings, even in low-light conditions. The intuitive interface and multiple icon prompts make it user-friendly for everyone. It also has an auto-off function to save energy. Easily convert between ounces, pounds, grams, milliliters, and fluid ounces. The one-touch tare function simplifies getting the net weight of your ingredients. This feature makes cooking and meal prep a breeze. Its convenient size makes it easy to store, whether in a drawer or travel case. Whether you're baking, meal prepping, or managing your diet, this smart scale consistently delivers reliable measurements. It is the perfect tool for your kitchen. What we like. This smart food scale is a health management expert, offering detailed nutritional analysis and syncing with Apple Health. It provides accurate measurements with high-precision sensors. If you're into keto, dieting, or bodybuilding, and need to track your food intake precisely, this scale is perfect for you. What people say. The macro scale is a great product. The design is sleek and modern. It works exactly as advertised. Number 1. RENPHO Elis Chroma Smart Body Fat Scale. This smart scale is FSA and HSA approved, making it easy to use your health savings. It's a great way to invest in your health journey with this convenient device. This scale does more than just measure, it brightens your routine with colorful lights. Customize the light to match your mood or room decor, making your path to better health more enjoyable. The scale measures essential body metrics, including weight, BMI, and body fat percentage. All data syncs to the RENPHO Health app via Bluetooth, and it's compatible with other health apps too. Whether you need a night light or ambient lighting, this scale provides it. It's perfect for creating a relaxing environment and enhances your living space, making it more than just a health tool. The scale syncs with the RENPHO Health app for detailed reports and goal tracking. It also supports pet and baby weighing modes, helping you stay motivated every step of the way. The scale features an LED screen and accurate sensors for precise measurements. It offers a sturdy platform and supports multiple units for your weighing convenience. Whether you're aiming for weight loss or muscle gain, this scale is a perfect fit. Tailored for both men and women, it brings a vibrant splash of color to any fitness journey. What we like. This scale brightens your routine with a spectrum of colors and provides detailed body reports. It supports 13 key fitness metrics, offering a comprehensive view of your health. If you like a scale that can match your mood and enhance your living space, this color-changing scale is a perfect fit. What people say. The scale itself boasts excellent build quality, featuring a sleek design with glass and metal components, which makes routine cleaning incredibly simple and hygienic. The connectivity is seamless. Data is instantly transmitted from the scale, even if the phone is in another room. The moment you open the app, the data synchronizes immediately. The metrics provided are remarkably insightful and accurate. The readings for each family member are distinct and perfectly aligned with our individual lifestyles and body compositions, like fat-to-muscle ratio, activity, and hydration levels. This is crucial for me, as I rely on tracking my protein and water intake during my weight loss journey. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.